things that you see. We just want you to become those powerful creators who can believe what you can't yet see. And in the belief of what you can't yet see, it will come into your visual reality. That's deliberate creation. Most people create by default, a sort of regurgitation. They see it, they don't like it, they talk about it, they catalog it and pigeonhole it, they make monuments about it. Everybody talks about it incessantly. And then all their gaps are filled in with things like it until as a society, as a vibrational group of forward-focused beings in this glorious creative experience, you sometimes create things that you do not want. We call that creation by default. We call it creating because it's easier to look at it than to find the feeling of what you really want. And we don't disagree with that. If you were a farmer in the field, however, we don't think that you would take your kernel of corn and put it in the ground that you have prepared, and then that afternoon go out and demand that it show itself to you as a stalk with ears. We think that you would be patient with the process